Now example 4.6. See figure. A mass of 6 kg is suspended by a rope of length 2 meter from the ceiling. This one is the case. A force of 50 Newton in the horizontal direction is applied at the midpoint P here of the rope as shown. What is the angle the rope makes with the vertical in equilibrium? Take G equal to 10 meter per second square. Neglect the mass of the rope. Now see here. If we consider the figure, now at this particular point 50 Newton force is acting in the horizontal direction. Due to mass suspended at this end of the rope, there will be the weight of this object in downward direction. So here we can say this thing, the tension will be produced in this upper part of the rope as well as in lower part of the rope. And suppose here the angle made by the rope with vertical in equilibrium position, that is theta, and tension in upper part, that is T1, and tension in lower part, that is T2. So here we already discussed this thing. For equilibrium, the vector summation of all the forces should be equal to 0. And in other words, we can say this thing, the summation of x components of all the forces should be equal to 0, and summation of y components should be equal to 0. Clear? Or in other words, we can say the forces which are acting in x direction should balance each other and should be in opposite direction to each other. Forces in y direction also balance each other and are in opposite direction, right? So here we can write from the figure T1 cos theta, that is equal to T2, but T2, that is weight, and weight, that is mg, that is 6 into 10, that is 60 Newton. So we can write T1 cos theta, that is T2, that is 60. And in x direction, T1 sin theta and 50 are in opposite direction. So both should balance each other. So we can write T1 sin theta, that is 50. Okay. Now take ratio of this to T1 sin theta upon T1 cos theta. So that is equal to 50 by 60. T1 will be cancelled here. This portion will be cancelled. So sin theta upon cos theta, that is 5 by 6. This one is tan theta. Tan theta is 5 by 6. Now if we find out theta, that is tan inverse 5 by 6 in the table of natural tangent in log table, then we will get theta, that is equal to 40 degree. Clear?